On which of the following recommendations was Constituent Assembly of India formed? Cabinet Mission. Who presided over the inaugural meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India? Sachidananda Sinha. The idea of the Constitution of India was first given by M.N. Roy. The inspiration of liberty, equality, and fraternity was derived from French Revolution. Which constitution has inspired the Indian concepts of rule of law, parliamentary system, and law-making procedure? British Constitution. Under which article of the Constitution are the cultural and educational rights are granted? Article 29 and 30. Untouchability is abolished and its practice is punishable according to Article 17. Which of the following rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Rights to constitutional remedies. Under which article of the Constitution is the President's rule promulgated on any state in India? Article 356. Which article of Indian Constitution prescribes Hindi in Devanagari script as the official language of the Union? Article 343. How many times national emergency has been declared so far in India? Thrice. Who administers the oath of office to the President? Chief Justice of India. The only President of India who was elected unopposed is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Disputes regarding the election of the President and Vice President are settled in Supreme Court. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Vice President. The largest committee of Parliament of India is Estimates Committee. The concept of public interest litigation originated in the United States of America. Which of the following writs is issued by the court in case of illegal detention of a person? Habeas corpus. Chief Minister of a state is appointed by Governor. The maximum permissible period between two sessions of a state legislative assembly is 6 months. Money bills can be introduced in the state legislature with the prior consent of the Governor. Lotteries organized by the government of a state comes under State list. The idea of incorporation of the concurrent list in the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from the Constitution of Australia. The first general elections in India were held in 1951. The Congress lost its monopoly of power in the states for the first time after the elections of 1967. The first law officer of the Government of India is Attorney General. Tenure of Controller and Auditor General of India is 6 years or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. According to the National Human Rights Commission Act 1993, who among the following can be its chairman? Only a retired Chief Justice of India. Panchayati Raj has received constitutional status with which Amendment Act? 73rd Amendment Act. Mandal Panchayats were recommended by which committee? Ashok Mehta Committee.